Hey guys, I am Navi Patel, daughter of Dr. Zarna Patel. First of all, I would like to thank our Guruji, Sri B.B. Chauhan, for inspiring us. I bow down to him. My previous video was on method 1 for those who are healthy and wants to prevent any of the disease in their future life. This video is on method 2 for those who are already been suffering from any of the disease. It doesn't matter whether it is curable, incurable, long term, or even it's new. All can be cured without medicine. Diseases such as diabetes, cholesterol, blood pressure, skin disease, eye disease, thyroid, PCOD, cancer, TB, HIV, and many more. Any of this can be cured. Those who follows this method can get cure of any of the disease. There are so many people all around the world who are being suffered from disease, and after adopting this method too and have cured their disease. Nowadays, you will find hardly a family which does not have disease. At least a single person is having a disease or is being on medication. So what's the reason behind this? The cooked food, the processed food which you eat is already been killed, and what you expect that this food give you nutrients, then you are wrong. That food can never give you any of the nutrients. For example, you have heard of when a baby is born, he or she might be suffering from blood cancer, or a kid of 12 or 14 age is suffering from diabetes, or a young age person have suffered from cancer or had heart attacks. So the reason behind this is when their mother is pregnant, what she eats is the cooked food from kitchen, which is processed and has been killed their nutrients. And even they believe having animal milk can make them and their baby more healthy, but it's myth. The root cause behind this disease is the cooked food and the milk products which you take. So stop taking this cooked food, processed food, or milk products, or not even non-vegetarian food. Before starting, I like to suggest one thing. Those who are following method 1, try this method 2 for more benefits. I at this young age have started following this method 2 for more benefits. I have completed my 6 months on this method 2. I have experienced so many benefits. It feels so good, so relaxed. So I insist to follow this method 2 once or twice in a week in your daily routine. As we know, our body is made up of 5 elements, so it is essential to give these 5 elements to run our body smooth. Those 5 elements are space, air, fire, water, and earth. So, but before starting, we will divide our day into 3 parts. So dividing this 24 hours into 3 parts, that means 8 hours each. In first 8 hours, it includes dry fasting of 8 hours. In second 8 hours, it includes breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. And in the third 8 part, it includes sleep, that means rest to your body. Starting from the morning after waking up, it is compulsory to do dry fasting, that means Nirjala fasting of 8 hours. It doesn't matter at what time you wake up. Start counting from the time which you awake. After 8 hours of dry fasting, we will break our fast with the most lightest things. Here it is green leaves from nature. We will make green juice made up of spinach, coriander, gooseberries, that means amla. If amlas are not available, then you can make miracle juice given in the description box. Those who are having disease need to drink this green juice compulsorily, because no other fruit juice or vegetable juice will be as much as beneficial as this green juice. Don't drink this full glass of juice in one go. Drink it with the help of spoon, sip after sip, or you can use straw. Drink this juice without adding water in its purest form. You can use juicer for better results. We personally use Sujata juicer. You can check in the description box. Here this green juice is full of chlorophyll and will help to detoxify your body. This will cure your disease. It will make your blood more pure. Here is a note for those who are on medication. They might have been prescribed by the doctors to take their medicines early in the morning with water or milk. So there is no need for milk. You can take your medicines after 8 hours of dry fasting with green juice. After 1 or 2 hours of drinking green juice, or whenever you feel hungry, there is no need to see time. Work according to your hunger. You can have your lunch. In lunch, take natural fruits and vegetables which are already being prepared by God. We do not need to cook them. Do not process anything on it. Eat fruits or vegetables which are easily available nearby you. It should be natural, regional, original and seasonal. You can have any fruits or vegetables which are easily available nearby you. There is no restriction on any fruits or vegetables for specific disease. You can have them unlimited. As much as you want, you can eat them. There is no harm in eating natural God-made food. Now comes snacks. In snacks, you can have fruits or fruit juices or vegetable juices, whichever is easily available nearby you. You can take watermelon, oranges, grapes, or cucumber, or pumpkin, that means petha, bottle gourd, according to your liking and availability. You can take sprouts like mung or alfalfa. You can even have nuts like cashew, almond, apricot, walnut. Soak them overnight or for 4 to 5 hours before having them. This is for those, it is not compulsory to eat snacks, but this is for those who are habitual of eating at every 1 or 2 hours or are habitual of having snacks. Cooked food and the processed food have been the root cause of all the disease. So, to cure our disease, in a dinner, we will eat the things which are natural, we already eat throughout the day, which is much more beneficial to our body. So, in dinner, we will take fruits or salads. If you are bored of eating this, then you can bifurcate them. You can have fruits in lunch and salads in dinner. You can make it more tastier by chutneys, dips, oreganos, chili flakes, lemons, rock salt, pink salt. According to your taste, you can add anything. You can also have nuts, sprouts again in your dinner. It's up to you. You can have anything which is in natural form, which is raw, which is made by God. Don't cook them, don't kill their nutrients. Have it is in its natural form. Only the thing you have to keep in mind is no cooked food, no processed food, no milk products, no animal products, no non-vegetarian food. Just eat natural, God-made, healthy food. Now comes the enema, the most important part of all. Since birth, we have eaten so much of wrong, cooked, processed, dead food, and which is now stuck in our intestine and has been the reason of all of the disease. So we need to flush out this from our intestine. So with help of enema, we can cure our any disease. Take enema twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed. You can take it as many times you want. There are no side effects, no disadvantages, no harm to your body. There are only and only benefits of enema. I have made a separate video on how to take enema. It's in the description box. I believe it's never too late to start. So if you are suffering from any of the disease, then please stop eating cooked, processed food. It will harm your body. And if you are healthy, then don't wait to suffer from any of the disease. Start eating natural food. Follow this method for 3 months and you will you can cure any of your disease, any of your health issues. If you have any of the doubt regarding this method or about any health issues or about NDS, you can contact or can call us on +91 9824 31 7955. Like our video, share it as much as possible to your friends and family. Our motto is to make world without medicine, because service is mankind is service to God. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon. Live long, live healthy. Thank you.